Okay, this one is on today and tomorrow, and it just started about 20 minutes ago.
Okay. Don't know anything about it?
No.
Okay. Well, we'll find out soon. Oh, here we go.
Oh, yeah. Okay, go see.
Okay, let's check it out.
Hopefully we can fill up the rest of that.
Yeah, well, that's a tall order.
Looks like there's lots of stuff, so that's...
Yeah, it does. Hello.
Good morning. A lovely day we're having.
Oh, exactly. Come on in and take your time.
Okay. Oh, that was nice. So pretty.
I didn't take the time to clean them. Oh, are they beautiful?
They are beautiful. That's a big job, polishing silverware.
I have cloth, and all you do is just rub it.
Oh,
Yeah.
don't ever get rid of that.
Yeah, the silver claws. Yeah, they've got
yeah.
polish built in and everything.
Oh,
yeah.
neat. What
And
does
yet
this
they're
look
so
like?
soft.
Yeah, I think these are. Look how cute.
Yeah.
They're so tiny.
They are. What are you asking for your little salt and peppers?
All four of them for $1.
I think you talked her into that.
Yep. Yeah, I like those silverware. Not that we really, I don't think we, do we need more?
I don't know. I leave that to you.
How much is your silverware?
Well, as I said, it's a...
So it's a
setting.
couple of, oh, and some of them aren't, like this is a different set.
Yeah, there's a
Then-
few that
Yeah, than this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
there was some additions. So, let me think here.
Oh, yeah. Quite a few pieces, yeah.
And they're gorgeous.
It's nice.
It is nice, yeah.
How would $15 sound?
I'll take them. Your prices are so good, how can I say no?
Well, it's cold, so
You just want
wanna get in.
to sell it all
Yeah.
and go in and eat some lunch. Yeah. I hear you.
Yep.
yeah. Okay, well, I'll just leave it there.
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh,
you,
yeah.
You
Yeah,
know
yeah.
it's sold.
You're
and-
good.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Look at these.
Yeah, I saw you looked at those. Missing a tray?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're missing one.
Okay.
Ah, yes.
Not sure where it went.
Yeah.
That's a funny thing to lose.
Had a wild party and
Yeah. It's on the roof. These are in the free box. I wonder if I could paint that. Probably.
Outback Steakhouse.
Yep.
They're just like coasters or something?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, these take the round batteries though. Oh, they work. Well, I'll get those. Can you pick that?
Just want these guys?
Yeah, you can leave them in there and just put the lid on.
Oh, just lost one. Okay,
Got it?
I got it.
Okay. What else is in here? We're raiding the free box.
Yeah, this was in the free box.
Oh, yeah.
Is that okay? Okay.
Little tea lights.
Yeah, that's what she likes. Yeah, the
Well, they're nice to have on the dining room table.
Well, and
wherever.
Yeah.
places like that maybe you didn't want a candle, but you do want a candle,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I found these three things too. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
And I still have these. Not done. Yeah, just leave that wherever and I'll grab that on the way out. Thank you. Perfect. Look at these guys. Cute. Little Women. 17 and 18. Wow. Yeah, I think we should get that.
Okay.
Got a little protector on the corner.
I'll go grab those.
Okay. Ooh, jewelry. I will. Oh yeah, such nice things. Wow.
Oh, it's my leg.
Are you
banging
wrecking the place?
Just sounds like it. 'cause
Oh, okay.
Oh, yes.
All those little candles in there in the tin.
Oh yeah.
Found the jewels.
Of course.
A woman has to stop it.
Oh, and she does every time.
And look at them all. Yeah.
She usually is looking for usually the vintage costume jewelry with the rhinestones and stuff in them. You know what I mean? Like what Grandma used to wear. You saw the watches over there in the corner?
I did.
Yeah, and they all work, they just need a battery.
Okay.
Wow.
You name it.
Well, the price is sure right on those. Jeez.
Especially what the original prices were.
I know, watches are so expensive. What's this?
Oh,
Holy
that's nice.
So heavy.
It's solid, yes.
Yeah. I guess you can't feel how heavy it is, but that's cool.
It's probably about as heavy as this.
Yeah.
Would you call it a piano lamp?
Yep.
Okay.
Or a good desk lamp.
Right. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. I think we'll get that.
I think that's the one that just needs a bulb, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah. It has bulbs in it.
There's one of them.
Yeah.
One of them's out.
Oh, yeah. I think I have some like
Yeah, we've got some weird bulbs
Yeah.
like that for some of your old fixtures.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Do you want me to set something down?
Yeah. Okay.
This is probably...
Yeah. That one's heavy.
This is too. Feel how heavy it is.
Oh yeah, that's almost the same weight.
solid. Yeah.
It's probably heavier because I was carrying
I
it.
might as well set that so I'm not kicking it, making a racket.
So I was just gonna say, I know where you are when you...
Yeah, it's like wearing a bell around your neck, carrying that thing.
Look at that nice box that comes
yeah.
in too. So pretty.
See all the brassies?
Oh yeah.
Okay, any of the brass, $1 each.
Oh wow.
Oh, the beaver. I think we need the beaver.
Oh, yeah.
Not a real garage sale without Petro Canada glasses.
Yeah.
They're literally at every sale in this duck.
You said $1 each?
Yep,
We should get them all.
Okay.
because I need to clean them all.
And you want the seals as well, or?
Yeah. And the candle holder too.
Oh, and the candle holder.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
There you
getting
go.
all the brass. We put the little animals in our backyard, in our flowers.
In the pot, and they weather so nice. And I hate to tell you that because you went to all the trouble of
Probably
polishing
polished them and cleaned them up.
Oh,
Not from the sale, but...
yeah.
Yeah, they're,
They're so cute outside. Yeah.
yeah.
Do you mean to move those?
Here, you need to give.
And, 1, 2,
I think.
and, I mean, that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6, okay.
And then
And the book,
Oh, what did
Yeah.
I tell you,
$1 for those.
Yes,
the book.
$1.
Okay.
And I think that's
and
it.
then, yeah. You got the lamp.
She got the lamp and the,
okay.
yeah.
Okay.
That was
Yeah.
35, the lamp and the
Yeah.
cutlery.
Yeah.
So 43, I think it came out to?
It came up to 43.
Yeah, 43 is what the screen had said.
Perfect.
There we go, good, good.
Perfect.
There we go. I was gonna say, you got more.
Yeah.
This guy is,
He's cool.
well, yeah, it's kind of,
We don't have a beaver yet, so
No.
that's our first brass beaver.
Yeah.
and he's a good size.
Yeah,
Yeah,
he is,
exactly. For the yard, you don't want too many tiny things.
Too. Just end up stepping on one.
The squirrels
Thank
like to
you.
knock them over.
Oh, you're $1.
Yes. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
What a wonderful sale.
Appreciate that you appreciate it.
Yes.
Yeah,
No,
that's-
that'll be great. We'll use all the silverware and everything. And the lamp. Awesome. Took it under my arm. Perfect. Thank you.
Oh, you're very welcome.
Have a great day, you
Have a
guys.
good day. Don't freeze out here.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
All right. Wow.
Wow.
Another haul.
Yeah.
Who knew, eh?
Yeah.
We've said in the past that on the rainy days,
I know.
we end up doing pretty well.
We do.
And we've only been to 2 sales today.
I know.
And,
Well, we tried to go to 3, but
well, we did. Yeah, one of them was just not open.
no.
But they won't know that because...
Yeah. Yeah. This is interesting,
Yeah, that is
isn't
a
it?
nice looking lamp. It looks old.
I think it is, judging by the cord.
Right.
Yeah, that's nice. It's heavy.
It is heavy.
I guess it has to be to lean over without tipping off.
Right.
Okay. This guy didn't make it in there.
That beaver was awesome.
$1 each?
I know. As soon as she said that, I was like, that.
So-
I'm getting the beaver for sure.
Yeah. Well, might as well get them all for that
Might as
price.
well. I wasn't sure if you wanted seals, but
Yeah, why not?
why not?
Yeah.
They'll be garden seals.
Yeah. The elusive garden seal.
Yep.
Rare.
Like the house hippo.
The North American house hippo is found throughout Canada and the eastern United States. House hippos are very timid creatures and are rarely seen.
Yeah.
Pretty rare. You don't run
garden
into them
seal.
too often.
That's right. Although there's no commercial about a garden seal.
No, there isn't.
Not yet.
No, we haven't made one yet.
No. Well, those people were lovely.
Yeah.
I think she was happy. Like, yeah, I'll take that. I'll take that. And it's fun. I know when we had garage sales, I was always like excited when somebody had a whole bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, the lamp was 20, but I'm sure
a nice lamp,
I
though.
could resell it for more than that, probably.
Probably. I think you're right. Like, it is old. I don't think it's just made to look like that. Because, like you say, the cord is the right style for older.
Well, and
And the
who even
patina-
has a piano anymore?
the patina on the brass isn't nice enough to be like, yes, it was meant to look like that.
Yeah.
It's a little more blotchy, which makes me think, oh, that's actually legit. It's not
Old,
it's
yeah.
not painted on acid that they're trying to make
Yeah.
it uniform. Be right here.
Is it in the house?
Looks like there's nothing going on. Garage is closed up.
Unless it's in the house, but...
There's nothing. There's no signs. The lights are off.
Yeah. Nope. Okay.
Okay. Oh, you better tell us about this one.
Just use the last thing.
Oh, yeah,
It's the
right.
same.
Yeah, that's right. Forgot. Pretty generic.
Yeah.
That guy just went right through the stop sign.
Oopsies.
Didn't stop at all. Just a nice slow... Sailed right on through.
Oh, look at that. Accident waiting to happen. Oh, those people are getting a new roof and it's raining. We know how that is.
At least we got a video out of it.
Yeah, and it spurred on much needed kitchen renovation. I'm much more in love with our kitchen now.
Yeah.
The nice backsplash and use the tiles. I still have 2 of those tiles I want to use. They're just
Those oven tiles?
yeah, burning a hole in my mind trying to think of
Where to put them?
yeah. So those were such a find. They're so. Did you ever look online?
No. Well, yeah, I think I must have when we first bought them.
Yeah, they're so expensive. They're like, well, all over the place for price, but I mean, like, I'd say the average price would be
$50 each.
for one tile.
Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy.
And there's only less of them
Yeah.
out there, so.